What's up, y'all? It's your girl Michelle. I got some water here for my rice, and this is my pot for my chicken and cheese on the rice. Don't ask me how much that is, cause I just put it in there. I do it by sight. But it's looking like maybe, I say 2.5 tablespoons. I froze some bell peppers and some onions. I'm gonna saute them up a little bit. Okay, so it's coming to a boil. And while it's coming to a boil, I'm going to add some of my chicken. This was some frozen chicken I had. Add it in. Got some more shredded chicken. I like a lot of chicken in mine. So while it's simmering, I'm going to add my seasoning to it. So I put a little Mrs. Dash. I don't know how much it is. I just do it to, you know. I don't use very much salt, but I have it out just in case I need it. This is onion powder. I like onion powder and I like garlic. What's left, I use a lot of it. I got to get some more of that. Okay, and I got some Tony Satchers seasoning, and I'm gonna put a little on there too, just a little bit, y'all. Can you see in the bowl bag? I mean in the pot?
Yeah, I can see that.
Alright. So it smells good, y'all. It smells good. Now it looks to me that I need a little bit more seasoning. I ain't the taster, but I know my seasoning, so. A little bit more dash. A little bit more onion. I love all that. If I had some more garlic, I'll put that in there too. But I don't have it in there. So, a little more seasoning. Now what I'm going to do now is, while my rice water is ready for me to put my rice in, it's boiling. So, hey, how many cups you think? What you think this is? Maybe a 1 to 4 cup. What you think this cup is? Okay. I'm gonna put like maybe 4, maybe 5 scoops. I think I'm making 4 cups. Now it's the rest of it, so 5, you might as well say 5 cups. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the lid on it and I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let it boil for about 20 minutes. So my cook time is 20 minutes. And I'm gonna turn it down to like medium low. And now what I'm gonna do with my chicken is if I had some, I think I got some too. I got my eye up a little high. I thought maybe I had a little chicken broth, but since I don't have any, I'm gonna show y'all how to make. Oh, that's okay. I got some homemade chicken broth. I froze it, so I'm kind of going to unthaw it a little, just so I can put it on my chicken. Okay. I'm going to have to let it go a little while longer. So I'm going to put a little parsley in. I forgot about the parsley. I'm going to put a little, I like to have a little color in it. So I say about maybe a tablespoon. So I have a little chicken broth that I had frozen. I'm gonna put a little of that in there. Wait, babe. I forgot this chicken. I need some more. I'm gonna unthaw it a little bit more. I'm gonna keep checking on my rice too. I'm gonna turn it all the way on low. It's got a good boil on it. And the rice I use is Mr. Bean. Uncle Bean, I use Uncle Bean rice. I don't know what it's gonna be now since they're supposed to change. Change the name of it. Oh yeah, y'all. Ooh, oh my God, if y'all can smell this. If only you had smell-o-vision. Put the rest of my little chicken broth in there. And that probably was like a cup or so of chicken broth. I'm gonna let this simmer right on up real good. I know y'all probably wanting frozen chicken broth. Yes. Anytime I boil some chicken, I keep the broth and I freeze it. And it come in handy just like this. Instead of adding water, it's got some kind of flavor in it. Can you see it? And look at all the different colors are in there. It's beautiful. So now, since that's boiled a little, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Bertillo, or what, Bertillo? I don't know what it is, but it's garlic Alfredo sauce, and I'm gonna add it in. Cheese sauce is with aged Parmesan cheese. This kind I use here. And hey, I don't have any more of my chicken broth, so what I'm gonna do, I'm put just a little bit of water in there and make sure I get it all out. Stir it a little. I got two of them, so I'm gonna use both. Cause I like it real good and cheesy.
Cheesier the better.
Okay. Do what I did on the other one. Get it off as much as I can. Ooh, I forgot. So now I'm gonna stir it up good. It smells so good, y'all. I know you like, she cooking a lot of that. Yeah, I'm cooking a lot of it because they like it. And if I cook a lot of it, I ain't got to worry about coming back cooking again tomorrow. Look at that.
Might get all right today.
Nah. Y'all better eat light. Look how much chicken in there. Look at all that chicken. So now, I'm going to let this simmer a little more. Once it starts simmering, I'm going to turn it down. And I'm going to check on my rice. I got like 12 minutes left on the rice. So now, we got a good boil on it right here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it simmer. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit more, maybe on medium low. It's still going to boil, but not as much as it was earlier. It depends. These stoves, I hate electric stoves, but that's what I got right now, so. So we letting everything boil. In 11 minutes, we'll be back. Everything should be done. We're gonna keep our eye check on it, make sure nothing's sticking or anything like that, and keep our rice stirred. Then we'll be back. See you back in a minute. Okay, so I forgot to tell you, I just realized my husband's pie, chocolate pecan pie, is in the background. He should have did a video, but we'll let you know how it tastes in the end. All right, y'all, our alarm is going off. Everything is ready. Stirring a bit. How pretty the rice is. So I'm finna strain my rice, or drain it, or however y'all want to say it. I'm gonna drain my rice. I'm gonna turn my eye on low. I'm gonna get a little butter. I still gotta have butter. So I'm going to use about a half a stick of butter. I think that's a little bit more than half a stick, but oh well. I like it. I'm going to break up my butter a little so it'll go ahead and melt. Okay. Now I'm going to dump my rice back in. And salt, don't ask me, you have to fix your salt the way you put as much salt in it that you prefer. I eye it. Most of the time when I eye it, I'm right. Alright, so now I'm going to fix our plates, bowls. This Devon's, put a little pepper on it. And this is my chicken and cheese over rice.